In this video, you will be learning how to prove the Pythagorean identity using the unit circle. So here we have a unit circle, and on it, this is our radius, and it's going to be 1. And this side that's labeled x is our horizontal distance, and this side that's labeled y is our vertical distance. So since we know this, that this is x and this is y, we can label this point on the unit circle xy. So we just learned that x equals cosine theta and y equals sine theta. So since we know this, we can rewrite this point as cosine theta, sine theta. Now the equation that we need to use here is x squared plus y squared equals r squared, and r squared is going to be your radius. So we can rewrite this as cosine theta squared plus sine theta squared equals r squared, and here our radius is 1 and 1 squared is just 1. So, and then you can write this again as sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals 1. So now that we know this, we can do an example. So this point right here on the unit circle is negative 1, 0. So we can plug that into the formula where x, or cosine theta, equals negative 1. So you'd have negative 1 squared plus our y, or sine theta, which here it's going to be 0. So that's 0 squared. And that's it should equal 1. So negative 1 squared is just 1, plus 0 squared, which is 0, equals 1, and that does equal 1. And that's how you prove the Pythagorean identity using the unit circle.